All-Stars versus Small-Town Heroes, Car Warriors. Wednesday night at 9 Eastern on Speed.
Manufacturing a kit jet to be built by you for ultimate speed. It takes futuristic, lightweight design. But when you want to hit the brakes fast, some kit builders take cutting-edge design into their own hands.
And what we're doing right now is we're installing the drag chute in the back of the Viper jet. We've actually designed a drag chute deployment system for the jet here. We designed this specifically just as a safety factor for the jet. It's kind of a prototype, so none of the other jets have that because we're putting in our jet to prototype it and make sure it works correctly. It's designed to slow down the jet after landing, decrease the landing roll on the airport, which means it would allow you to land at shorter strips. Well, Randy, why don't you go ahead and put that baby in there, huh?
This drag chute is designed mostly out of Kevlar because Kevlar is very lightweight and it's very low bulk. And for aircraft stuff, that's normally what you want, but for this application we had to do that to get it to fit into this small form factor. That's the drag chute in there.
When this pin comes out, the spring-loaded pilot chute's going to pop out. We just want to make sure it clears the bag and clears the latch and clears the door and everything. Okay, why don't you go ahead and close the door. You have to push it up hard. Got it latched? Okay, I'm going to secure this. Okay, we are ready. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It popped it.
This is the pilot chute that will come out. This will just come out like this. And this is what catches the air and pulls the bag out and pulls everything out. Looks good.
Launching 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds without going broke.
It's like a freight train, it just keeps picking up speed. You will run out of courage way before the car runs out of gas.
Soaring to 10,000 feet in 60 seconds. No military service required.
When people ask me, you know, what I'm building, I'm saying I'm building a jet, their mouth kind of drops open.
Ultra high-tech kits designed and constructed to be built by you, getting you into the fast lane in style for less cash.
Basically, it's a Lego set for a grown man.
If you can work a screwdriver, you can build this car.
Project cars, planes, and more. Built on a budget, built to last, and built for speed. Speedmakers Super Kits.